welcome to my channel. Yesterday we asked Kelly some very interesting questions and she's back because I have a very special announcement. Next week I am having a baking week on YouTube, so please join me every day, Monday to Friday at 1 o'clock, where we will be baking a sweet treat in the kitchen. So please join me. But today Kellyanne is going to teach us some basic sign language for different objects that we will be using in the kitchen next week to bake our sweet treats. And I will be using little bits of sign language in the kitchen too, so you can pick up on it and we can all sign together. Kellyanne, where should we begin? Do you like cake?
Cake, ooh,
Yeah.
Number one, cake. Ooh.
So this is how you sign cake.
Sweet tooth, cake, yeah.
Cake, just like that. Cake. You've got a sweet tooth.
Sweet tooth, yeah. Oh, yeah.
When I bake next week, do you want some?
Which cake?
We're going to bake biscuits,
Biscuits.
flapjack,
Flapjack.
brownies,
Brownies.
and a surprise cake.
Fried cake. Victorian cake.
I love Victoria sponge. So would you mind just teaching us what you just did there, Kellyanne?
Yep.
You did biscuits. How do you sign biscuits? With your elbow? Very nice. And you're just tapping your elbow. This is biscuits. So you can try that at home too.
Biscuit, oh, biscuit, oh, biscuit. Biscuits.
Either way, so either flat hand
Biscuit, oh, biscuit.
or you can pinch. Biscuit. Victoria sponge.
Victorian sponge will be Victorian sponge.
Oh, I like that. So V, as your
Victorian.
finger spell, Victorian.
Victorian sponge.
Sponge, like a squeezing a sponge. And cake. We have some simple ingredients here that we will be using next week to bake our cakes. And we have here sugar. Kellyanne, how do you sign sugar?
Sugar.
Ooh, very nice. So, if we explain like so, we've got two fingers facing forward and the other two are together.
Just
Sugar. And you're going back and forward. So you can try this at home too. This is sugar. Very good. And we also have a main ingredient that we will be using next week is flour. Flour. Oh, that's a nice and easy sign that we can remember. This is flour. So just like you're picking up your flour and you're popping it in the bowl, that's flour. Thank you, Kellyanne. We also have here a tin because we are going to be needing some tin of some kind next week. How do we sign?
tin. Oh, wow, just tin. Really finished by really tin.
So we are going to finger spell
Ooh.
tin.
Tin.
T I
N.
N. Okay.
Tin.
Tin.
Yeah.
The T, you've got a flat hand. Finger on the bottom, that's a T. And the I is the third finger along. I and N. Two fingers, flat hand, N. That is tin. Very good. What else are we going to be needing, Kellyanne?
Spoon.
Spoon. We are going to be needing a spoon to mix our cake. How do
I'm
you
really,
sign?
really looking forward to this cake next week now.
Are you going to join us, Kellyanne? Will you be baking along with us?
Oh, I might do. I might do.
How do we sign spoon?
Spoon.
Spoon, nice and easy. So just like we are miming,
Yep, spoon.
spoon. Very good. And we have, oh, our favourite, dum dum dum, chocolate. Chocolate. Okay. So we sign chocolate like this. Choc. So you've got your hand in together and your index finger with your thumb like so, and you pop it on your chin. Chocolate together. So this is chocolate. So you are using your thumb and index finger for chocolate. Chocolate. Yummy chocolate. And we also have, nice and healthy, a banana that we may be using for some banana bread. How do we sign banana, Kellyanne?
Banana.
Banana, nice and
Okay,
easy.
peeling.
Just like you're peeling it. Thank you, Kellyanne. Banana.
Banana.
How do we sign bread?
Bread.
Bread. So if we are baking some banana bread next week, How do we sign banana bread?
It will be banana bread.
Bread. Very good. So you can put them two together, or you can use bread by itself or banana by itself. Well done, everyone. We also have here a ball. Ball. Very good. So just like you've got an imaginary ball in your hand, and you're going to do ball. So you're coming in from the bottom, just like you've got your hands together under the ball, and then you come out. Ball. Now, Kellyanne, this ball is blue. How do we sign blue? Blue is like you've got your hands like so, and you're going round in a circle on your wrist. Blue. You just had to check that, Kellyanne.
I'm
just
forgetting all the
in-
signs now.
We are testing Kellyanne today. So if you have a blue ball, then you would sign like this. Blue ball. Or we could pretend that we have an orange ball, and how we would sign that. Orange ball. And don't forget, we do have a video already on YouTube. You can check that out with the colours. We'll leave a little link below. Okay, so let's test everybody at home. So how do you sign ball? Nice and easy. We've just done this one. Ball. Would you like to give us the answer, Kellyanne?
Yeah, ball.
Very good. How do we sign spoon? Would you like to give us the answer? Spoon, like so. And tin. How do you sign tin? That's right, you are finger smelling tin, so T-I-N. T-I-N. Great job. And we have banana. This one's nice and easy. How do you sign banana? Very good. I think they've got it, Kellyanne. Banana. And of course, if we want banana bread, we sign like this. Banana bread. Bread. Good.
Banana bread.
What else do you have? Oh, chocolate. Now this was a bit more of a tricky sign. How do you sign chocolate? Have you got it? Kellyanne? Chocolate. Chocolate. Well done. And we have 2 ingredients left. How do we sign sugar? You can do it. Can you remember? Sugar. Good try. How do we sign sugar, Kellyanne? That's it. Sugar, just like so. And last but not least, our flour. How do you sign flour? Go. I think they've got that one, Kellyanne. Flour, just like that. Thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you, Kellyanne. That was wonderful. So it means next week, very good, we can bake a cake, and I hope you all join us, and we're going to have a sweet treat week. It's going to be very
I'm looking forward
exciting.
to it.
Can't wait. So don't forget, we will be using these signs as well next week, and we'll be introducing some more whilst we're baking our cakes. So don't forget to join me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss out. And hopefully we'll see Kellyanne again. See you soon. Bye.